Hello students, so today we will continue lesson 6 CSS cascading style sheet. In the last class we have studied about the different types of selectors, that is the class selector, ID selector and the universal selector or the element selector. So four types of selectors we have studied in the last class, and also we have studied about the uh, inline style or the internal style sheet. So see, today we will continue from the internal style sheet, how we write the CSS rule uh, with the method internal style. So in the internal style sheet, we write the rules, CSS rules inside the head tag. So between the head tag open and close. Now in this you can see here in the code, the HTML open, head tag open. Now inside the head title is set, title open and close, and the title is set embedding style sheet, which is called the internal style sheet. Now, in this internal style sheet, we use the style as a tag. Now, see this style tag open, written type equals to text or CSS type is the attribute for the style tag. Now, between the style tag open and close, see we have written the rules. Here the rule is mentioned CSS rules, and the rule is written for the table and for the table data TD and for the table heading. So, three element is selected. Here the three element is selected on the web page, which is the table tag, table element, and the table data element, table heading element. And inside the curly braces, we write the rules. So for these three elements, we have written the rules that the border style should be the solid, and the border width should be the 4 pixel, and the border color should be the green, and after that the border collapse will be the value collapse. So this all the rules we have written inside the curly braces, and each properties of the rules is separated by the semicolon. A property is a collection of the attribute and the value, and see, like one property is the border style solid, and here you see the in the property contains two terms. One is the attribute and another is the value. So the colon separates the attribute and the value. So the value written, so the see, the word written before the colon is the attribute, and the word written after the colon is the value for that attribute. Now style close. Now this style rule sets that the border style which you use for the table or for the table data and for the table heading, that should be the solid, and the border width should be the 4 pixel, and the border color should be the green. As you can see in the output, the border of the table is the green color, and the table data means cells border is also the green color, and the width thickness of the border is the 4 pixel. Now see in the content inside the body what code is written. So inside the body you can see the table tag open to create the table on the web page. Now inside the table we create the row. Here for to create the row in the table we use the tr tag, that is the table row tag. Now in the row we create the heading. So first heading is the name heading. So that's why it is used here th, table heading tag. Inside the table heading, first column of the table is the name. As you can see in the output, first is the name. Now in the first row there is how many headings are there? 3 headings, name, class and address. So in the row we will open 3 times th tag to write these 3 columns, name, class and address. Now second you see again th tag open, and inside the th written class. Third heading is open, th open, and written there is the address, th open, address and th close. Now the row is closed. First row containing 3 columns, that's why in one row 3 times we have used the th tag. Now for the second row we again open the tr tag, and in the second row we are creating the 3 columns again. So this time we are entering the data in that column, so we use the td tag. Now see the td tag open, the name written, the value written under the name column, that is the second row, first column is the Rita, td open, td close. Now again second row, second column, the value under the class field is the fifth, class fifth. So td open fifth and td close. Now third column, the value is the address, that is the TD open, consular and TD close. Now after that the TR also close and the table also close. So one times table tag open and close, that is means one table is created. Now see another table is also the web page, second table. So second time table tag is open, and in that case the table row first row is created and one heading, two heading is created, one is the name and the other is the marks. Now see in the TH open, name is there, TH close. Now second heading marks, TH open, marks, TH close. Now after that the row close. Now second row created in the second table, it will contain the value. In first row, second row first column the value is the Rita, and the second row second column the value is the 75. Now see second time TR tag open, and the first value inside the TD open and close written Rita, and second value inside the TD open and close 75. Now row close, table close, second table is also closed, now body close and the HTML tag is closed, and we have seen the output also. So next, we can also specify the border style, border width and the border color property in a single property, the border also. So see how we write in the single property. We use now here you can see we have written the attribute border and the value we have written for the border in the sequence. First is the solid, second is the 4 pixel, solid 4 pixel and between. So solid is what? Solid is the border style, 4 pixel is the border width and green is the border color. So in that sequence we can add first should be the style, second should be the width and third should be the color. So one important thing which is to be considered while using the embedded style sheet is that the older browsers might not be able to interpret the style sheet and it display it on the screen. So to avoid this situation, we should keep the style sheet code in comments. So we write the style sheet code in the comments. If suppose that browser is not supporting, it will not display the error. So CSS compatible browsers will still interpret it, and the non-compatible browser will safely bypass this code. If suppose any browser is not supporting, it will bypass that code which is written in the comment. If that browser is supporting, so it will read that code. So to comment out this style sheet, we put the forward slash and asterisk for the style code and asterisk forward slash at the end of the code. So that is at the end of the style code. Now, as you see in the next, now see the code. Again, see the HTML open and the code is written by putting the style tag open and close inside the comments. See forward slash asterisk, now style open, style tag open, type equals to text CSS. Now the rules is written for the 3 elements table and table data and table heading. Now style close. Now after that asterisk and forward slash. So this pair forward slash and asterisk and the forward slash is used to put the style sheet in the comment. So if the browser which you are executing, if it is not supporting this style sheet, so it will skip it, and if it is supporting, it will execute it. Now next is the external style sheet. So this is the most powerful. In this we write the rules of the external style sheet in a separate file, not in the HTML. We write it in a separate file over the notepad and save that file with the extension .css. Okay, so this external style sheet we will study in the next class. So this is all for the today, students. Thank you for your kind attention.